Ever heard a rapid clicking from a relay in your aircraft? That is not normal. It is called relay chattering and it needs attention. Relay chattering is the rapid, unintended opening and closing of electrical contacts, usually caused by low voltage or worn relay components. Relays need minimum hold-in voltage to stay closed. If voltage dips, the relay drops out and tries to re-engage, causing chattering. Say your landing gear motor relay is chattering. It could lead to gear drop failure or electrical arcing. That is a serious safety concern. Chattering causes contact wear, heat, and system instability. Aircraft technicians should check voltage supply, relay condition, and wiring integrity. Relay chattering is not just noise, it is a warning. Diagnose early, fly safe. Follow Aircraft Technician Network for more fast fixes and deep dives into aviation maintenance.